Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. In this channel I share entertainment news and I also share vlogs, so you really don't want to miss that. Now guys, today we are talking about Candice Modiselle. Candice Modiselle is officially off the market. She is officially off the market. She is now a Mrs. Right, so the pictures have been doing rounds on social media. She was wearing blue and the hubby was also wearing blue. They looked so gorgeous. And then ke sana ke you, oh guys, niyazi ukuthi abantu abayifuni into enhle mos, niyazi, you know. So ke sana, as the pictures were doing rounds, the pictures were posted on Twitter by MDN News, ne? They didn't even write a snacks caption. They just posted the pictures and then said Candice Modiselle is officially off the market. And then someone by the name of Karabo Kesana decided to share the post with a caption that said, at least I once snacked when we were still at vets. Like, why, what are you trying to achieve? Kesana ngaleyo comment, what are you trying to did? Like, I don't understand, because guy obviously married her knowing very well that she's not a virgin. If this person is telling the truth, Uguti they snacked. This person married Candice Modiselle knowing very well that she's not a virgin, and it's not a shame, guys. It's not a shame. Uguti, you are not a virgin, you know. Sibani, we want it back, but we can't get it back because anyway, I don't know, Guti, like, why do men always do this? Even when maybe let's say you are passing by the street Ekasi, there's always someone who's going to say, let's say mhlambe ke you've once dated that person, uyazindlulela. There's the guys will always like make it a point that they let everyone know they'll always be saying things like ngike ngadla lapha, or I once dated this girl, I once slept with her. For what? For what? Your time is up. Just let others enjoy. Hey, now I'm just thinking, Guti, girl can't even enjoy the honeymoon phase now. They are arguing about this guy who says that he once snacked at vets. No, guys, no. But anyway, congratulations to Candice Modiselle. She is officially off the market. She is now a Mrs. She is officially married. Guys, abantu bashadile this year. Bashadile. Kusele thina nje esisearch amafoni wamadoda. Abantu bashadile. Kusele thina esithuka amadoda. Abantu bashadile. Kusele thina esenzeni vele. Kusele thina esenza sleep over sa one day bese siyajika. Abantu bashadile, guys, this year. We just need to congratulate them without saying anything bad, because wow, son, wow. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.